For Inside EVs, BYD's Atto 3 impressed attendees at a recent seminar in Japan. The electric vehicle, known as the Yuan Plus in China, starts at just under $20,000. For that price, it offers 201 horsepower and a 50 kilowatt-hour battery, providing a range of 267 miles. Buyers can opt for a larger 60.5 kilowatt-hour battery, extending the range to 317 miles, for an additional $1,400. BYD keeps costs low by producing many of its components in-house. A key feature is its e-axle, which integrates 8 components including the motor, inverter, and battery monitoring system. This approach, combined with economies of scale, allows BYD to sell its vehicles at prices that non-Chinese automakers struggle to match. The Atto 3 has been a commercial success, with 300,000 units sold since production began in February 2022. It has also gained recognition in Europe and was highly ranked in Japan's 2023 EV of the Year Awards. You are listening to Yuan News.